All right, welcome back to Nails by Sora. I hope you're doing well. It's kind of late already. It's past midnight once again. It's 12:24, but it took me a while to do this last video, which was polygel application. I do like the way it came out. I don't like how long it took me. And it is a little thin in spots, but hopefully I won't have any issues with breakage. It's only the second time that I've used polygel. So considering, I think I did a pretty good job. I do still have some cuticle cleanup, but I'm going to worry about that later. So I want to get into the manicure. And honestly, I just don't know what I want to do at this point. I had an idea already in my head, but I don't have the energy for it right now, and I don't want to push this off to tomorrow. So I think I'm going to do... It was supposed to be a pumpkin spice themed manicure. So what I'm going to do is kind of like an orange ombre. Going from this cement taupe all the way up to brown. So this is number 77 from DGel. Then we've got Sunstalker from Madam Glam. We've got Trick or Treat from Madam Glam and No Maps. And then we've got Deja Brew from Apres. So I'm going to start off, well, I'm going to do the opposite on my left hand from my right hand. I actually wasn't going to record my left hand. I was going to do my left hand first and then record my right hand. But I guess I am recording now. So I'm going to start off with the cementy nude color on my pinky and go up to the brown on my thumb, and then I'm going to reverse it on my other hand. If I have the energy to do a design afterwards, I will. Otherwise, I might leave that for another day. I am not sure. My weekend is kind of booked up. I have to take my Soleil, my older cat, to the vet just for a regular checkup. Nothing's wrong. And then I have service appointment on my car. Again, nothing wrong, just it's time to bring it in for service. And then on Wednesday, I have a bone density, because actually I'm going to be starting semaglutide. Either semaglutide or tirzepatide, I'm not sure which. It depends on what each costs. Because if you don't know, which I don't know how you would, I don't really talk about it, I am a bit overweight. Something I've been fighting all my life. Since I was 6 years old, I had cancer. And it just started gaining weight after that, and never really was able to take it off in any meaningful or lasting way. So, figure this is working for other people, maybe I should try it. But it's not covered under insurance unless you need it for diabetes, which I don't, thankfully. But that means that the burden of the cost is 100% on my shoulders. So we'll see. But so I need a bone density on Wednesday so that we have a baseline for where I'm at with my health. So hopefully the semaglutide or the tirzepatide, whichever I end up using, will work. Because nothing else seems to. But I'm currently sitting at about 250 pounds. On a 5'2" frame, which is not healthy at all. I feel like crap most of the time. And as you can imagine, not being able to meaningfully do anything about it, either through my own mistakes or through my body fighting me, it's quite, what's the word? Defeating. How do I keep getting polygel on everything? So anyway, that's my story. If anyone on here has been using semaglutide or any of the other varieties of the weight loss medication from Ozempic or Wegovy or any of the others, I'd be interested to hear your stories. I used the wrong one. This is not the color that's supposed to go on this finger. This is what happens when you talk about something that has nothing to do with what you're doing at the moment. Okay. Going in with Sunstalker instead of No Maps. But yeah, have you had any adverse side effects? Have you lost weight? Have you not lost weight? What is all over my nail now? I'm telling you, this manicure just wants to take forever. I feel like this is the wrong color again, because they're very similar in tone. It doesn't matter. I'm going to finish up this nail and flash it. Actually, I'm going to give it a full cure before I go ahead and do my thumb. Finishing up my thumb, I'm going to try to get this hair off that's on it. I'm going to cure and go in and do a second coat on all of my nails. I don't know how I feel about that finger being that color. I might change it. Okay, now here's the part where I get myself into trouble. So I did 2 layers of this syrup gel from Tiny. It is TYY037 on top of the cement color, and it looks fantastic. I love the gradation a lot better, but I need to do something else with this manicure other than just a gradation. So I'm thinking about kind of doing a Frenchie, maybe, but not a full French. I want to maybe, what am I looking for? I want to maybe just do the accent line. Young Nails is calling it an invisible French, but basically it's just drawing the smile line without filling it in. The problem with using the gold glitter, which I really want to use, is that if I don't like it and I go to wipe it off, it's going to leave specks of the gold behind. And honestly, I'm not sure I'm going to like it. So what I want to maybe do is a leaf pattern or some sort of floral pattern. I think I like that. Toying with the idea of also doing it on my thumb, but I kind of like just the solid thumb. All right, I'm going to cure that, top coat it, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my right hand. There's nothing wrong with a simple accent. All right, so this is going to be my pumpkin spice manicure. I've gone and already put on some hand cream because my cuticles were looking nasty. It is quite a simple manicure for me at least, but there's no reason why we can't have simplicity. So let me know what you think down below. I would really appreciate it. I do love these colors. That these two are quite similar, at least as it reads in the camera, but they are different in person. And that's going to wrap it up. I'm going to finish off with some cuticle oil from Nail Reserve. It's beautiful coconut scent, and it's a little thinner of a consistency, but I kind of like that. It doesn't leave a greasy residue. But thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.